Number 3. My mom says fit. Bro. Literally. Yep. Spotted wood. Three. His old username was Ryu Amiel. Now he's one only. As you don't know, Ryu Amiel was one of the guys that I concluded in one of my videos where I showed him destroying my base. Really, you. Oh my god, dude. Um, guys didn't hear anything. Now let's actually use this kind of bike for your reel. For your reel. For your reel. I'm gonna record the phone. We're not getting more fear trees. Instead, we're getting 5 frost trees. Why you think that how are this Rookery axe is your best axe, but it does low damage to frost trees? Well, guess what? Yeah, frost. I traded another time to have frost axe. Hello, Tayagbayo. They won. Everyone knows that frost wood is worth more than lava wood. But I have something to say. First of all, frost is easy to get. No rolling boulders that is going to you. And lava wood is literally hard. Rolling boulder! Look at the ball. Frostwood is very thin. Somehow it is worth 102 lumber bucks per plank. But lava wood is thick, and lava wood only sells for 32 per plank. Lumber bucks per plank. It doesn't make any sense. Oh, ALR. Alright. Hello. Hello.
Korean. Korean. Say hi.
I'm recording, by the way, so my viewers, ignore this moment. Ignore this moment. I'm just wanna be in the call of my sister. Anyways, let's go back to grinding frostwood. Tell them that I'm recording. Egg. Hot dog? Yes, hot dog. Yeah, hot dog. Mama didn't tell me she bought hot dog because she said it was frozen.
Ayaw lang.
You! Defrost! Kaya kapit!
Bakit? Kaya dapat
Frick.
tulungan niyo ako maglaba. Tama na kayo. Ano ba yan? Ganyan. Oh my God.
I think I messed up. Almost. Frick. I have to do this again! Why did I fall onto the ramp, man? This thing sucks. Alright, let's climb. We're getting 5 frost trees. I'm not lying. Trust me. I will count the trees. We need 5 frost trees. I'm recording at the Sasha. I'll turn it off. Yeah. The mistake you saw earlier was nothing. I'm a balancer pro.
Puro labubo talaga ito si Kuya.
Nagre-record ako. Nagre-record ako. Para sa YouTube. 24 subscribers lang meron ako sa YouTube. Hindi ako nagti-TikTok eh.
I will.
Can you subscribe? Can you subscribe to my channel?
Maglalaba ako, kausapin niyo to. Maglalaba ako, kausapin niyo yan.
Can you subscribe to my channel, sir? And there's Steamer Elastics. PEANRELASTICS.
Wait, can you say it again?
PEANRELASTICS. Steamer Elastics.
Again.
B E E
Pero walang ano yan.
A N
N
R E R pala ER. Tignan ko nga, i-reverse mo nga yung camera ko. Titignan ko lang.
Ay, titignan mo. Wait lang ha.
P-E-A-N-R. P-E-A-N-R.
R.
P-N. Mali!
Ay, mali!
Hindi. Yung B. Hindi T. B. B.
Ano ulit? E-B?
B. Hindi. Oh my goodness. B.
E.
B. Hindi T. B. That's E.
B.
Yung second letter in the alphabet. B.
B. B.
E. B. E. Letter E. A. N. E. R. E. L. 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 Letter L. Elba. L. A. 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 Hindi. Walang M.
Walang M.
L. S.
N. S.
Walang M sa elastic.
N. S.
T.
Yan. This.
T. Letter T. T. I. E.
I. E.
C.
C.
Hindi, walang E. Walang E sa dulo. S.
Elastic.
S. S.
S.
Oh, i-search mo.
Okay. Is you?
Yes!
Okay, I will watch your videos. Ayan, naka-notification pa yan ah.
Okay, thank you.
Greener elastic ba?
Ano, punta ka sa shorts. Marami akong shorts.
Wow.
Let's play series yan. Nagre-record ako para sa Frost series. Alright. Frost 3 number 1. Hello? Go off the ramp! Ano, watch mo yung part 1 ng episode 12. Hindi. Uy, punta ka sa taas yung makikita ka ng white na tree. Doon. Yung sa Let's Play Season 5 Frost Season Episode 12 Teddy Crossword Part 1. Hindi. Mali. Ito yung 545. Yung 545. Sa 545. Opo yun. Yan. Wait, why did I use the rookie react? Tree number 4. Friend ko yan sa Roblox, si Blue. Blue yung friend ko sa Roblox. Nagro-Roblox pa kayo? Nagro-Roblox pa kayo? Do you play Roblox? Not again.